Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you a freelancer or entrepreneur and you're trying to get a business loan, but you don't have the best credit, but you are making money, then I'm gonna show you some of the best places you can go to. Now, the first one is LiftFunds, all right? And so with LiftFunds, they are a CDFI, okay? And they offer microloans as well. And as you can see here, what you need in order to submit your application for is your EIN number, your social security number, or your TIN, um, your driver's license information. So they ask for the things here in order to see what they can do. But remember, like I said, this is a CDFI, all right? They are there to actually help the public get loans that when you're struggling and you can't go to your bank and you can't go to your credit union when you don't have the best credit. So this is one place you definitely want to look at lift funds. Then if you're making at least $2,500 or more, then you want to check out Fairfigure, all right? And so here's the thing about it with Fairfigure. As you can see here, uh, they have two trade lines for you, okay? They're like NAV when they set up a business credit reporting trade line, but at the same time, if you actually are making money in your business, like I said, the minimum usually is about $2,500, they're able to actually give you a loan. All right. And so the loan usually comes on like a credit card or whatever. But as you can see here, see Credit Safe, Equifax, Plaid, TransUnion, Small Business Financial Exchange. All right. So these are the business credit bureaus they deal with. Also, they when you sign up for their monitoring, their credit monitoring for the business credit monitoring, they also give you free personal credit monitoring. Now, the personal credit monitoring, that scoring is a Vantage score. Okay, so that's something you just have to keep in mind. But again, signing up with them, getting a loan from them, it has nothing to do with the credit score. Okay, they usually focus on the income. Do you have enough income? Also, in terms of they may look at the type of business. So if you like in a high risk high risk NAICS code, like in the porn industry or ammo industry or something like that. One of the bigger things that a lot of people getting qualified is just making sure you have an actual registered business. Okay, so that's the big thing, making sure you have an actual registered business in order to qualify for that loan. You also have Lendesca. Now, Lendesca, yes, it's a platform. All right, and they offer freelance cash advances as well. And you guys heard me talk about it. For those of you that are not new to the channel, for those that are new to the channel, I appreciate you checking me out. Please subscribe. But you can see they offer up to $20,000, and they give you up to 18 months to pay the loan back, and they can fund you within 24 hours. Okay, and so that interest rates can be low as 20%. Now, as you can see here, they want you to have at least $25,000 in annual revenue. So basically, like I said, if you're making $2,500 or whatever, then you're good. Okay. As a matter of fact, it's less than $2,500. And as you can see, with a 550 credit score, and you have to be show proof that you've been generating this type of income for at least 3 months. All right. Now, at the same time, like I said, they go up to 20,000. Most people with really bad credit or whatever, then they may give you just 5,000. All right, but this is definitely a resource for you to check out. Then you also have Accion. Again, Accion is another CDFI, and as you can see, their loans go from 5,000 up to 250. But here's the criteria, right? So minimum 1 year of business, and your revenue is 50,000. So you have to be at least producing what about $4,200 a month. So they don't expect for you to produce a whole lot, and then make sure you have at least 20% ownership in the business, and then with a 600 credit score. Now, a lot of people are very happy with Accion because they make it easy. for them to get qualified. Now, just keep in mind with some of these here lenders, and you're a freelancer or whatever, they may not offer loans in all 50 states. All right. So that's the reason I try to choose a selective amount of lenders and stuff to help you guys out so you won't just be stuck dealing with one lender. Now, you also have Giggle Finance. Now, with Giggle Finance, as you can see here, goes all the way up to $5,000, right? Now, here's the thing about it. Like I said, it has nothing to do with the credit. And that's another thing. You're able to actually apply without getting a hard pull on your personal credit. So you having bad credit, you have so many other choices. And one of the things that I keep telling people, don't sleep on, if you're operating as a DBA, you really should be uh registered as a business, okay? Because even with bad credit, there are so many other lenders out there that's willing to give you money without looking at the personal credit, okay? But you have to be registered. So if you need help with that, you actually can click the link in the description. Now, with Giggle Finance, again, of course, you have to be in business for at least 90 days in the gig economy. And in terms of what type of gigs, as you can see here, you have your app-based freelancers, small businesses, sellers and franchises, and independent contractor. And like I said, with an economy like this, I know that like MLMs, they're predatory for trying to get people to join or whatever. But if you're in the MLM space and you're making money, then uh, Giggle Finance will also loan you money as well. Okay. And so the minimum income, I would tell you, just to be on the safe side, I would say at least be showing that you're making at least $1,500 or more. Our next lender is Fundo. And yes, it is a merchant cash advance. All right. Now, they are not loaning in New York as well as California. So sorry, guys, for that one. But they actually loan money up to $10,000. Okay. And just like Giggle Finance, they actually will show you exactly who qualifies. So you got your freelancers, contractors, small businesses, sellers, and franchisees, right? Again, it's not about the credit. It's about you making revenue and can show proof. Now, what they do, they use like decision logic or core. Okay. And so what they want to do, they're going to take a snapshot of your business bank account to see if you actually are having regular deposits and stuff. Once they actually see and can verify that you actually have regular deposits, then they will make their decision in terms of how much they're willing to loan you. Now, just keep in mind with these here lenders like this, of course, your interest rates is going to be much higher than your credit union and your traditional banks. But if you don't have the best credit, but you have money coming in, I would definitely say, hey, this may be a best option, especially if you really rely on your vehicle or you need supplies and things of that nature. This is definitely one of those places you want to take a look at. If you're doing real good in the e-com space and you're selling online, then you may want to look at 8Fig, okay? Because they actually offer loans as well. So if you're selling on Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Walmart, they actually will offer you a loan also. All right. So this is definitely a option, especially for people like sell on Amazon, and like Amazon will sometimes hold up your sales and you need more money, more capital and stuff like that. So 8Fig may be able to help you to get that extra capital. And again, it has nothing to do with the personal credit. It's all about revenue based. So being able to show that, hey, this is revenue based. You also have Shopify, they offer loans as well, but 8Fig, they offer bigger loans than Shopify. All right, so that's something you can actually take a look at. Now, the next lender we're talking about is Yendo. So with Yendo, they're not looking at the personal credit too. You can actually do a pre-qualification, but they offer up to $10,000 for the equity in your car. So if you have a car that's paid off but has some equity in it, they will offer you a loan. All right. And so you can put that money toward your business if you're trying to grow your business or something like that. So this is an option. It may not be the best option for some, but it at least it is an option for you to take a look at. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any other questions, you can click the link in the description, schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.